Hey guys, here's my Hmong item of the day. It's part 3 of the Hmong Vietnam outfit. This is a skirt that comes with it that my mom got for me when they went to Vietnam. It just opens up like a regular Hmong skirt, but it's a lot longer. So it has like this extra fabric down here. Not really sure why, but a lot of their dresses have like this red fabric at the bottom here. And here's a close-up of that. And then here's a close-up of this cross-stitching, or cross-stitch. Really pretty. And then here's the back. I guess they make their dress, and then they sew this in, or they just, it looks like they just attach it to this extra piece up here, like this whole bottom part. But so pretty. The back is pretty much as pretty as the front. Like, look how amazing that is. That's beautiful. My back does not look like that. I try to make it look like that, but wow. Really pretty. I don't see many knots. It looks like they just kind of hide it by threading it through and then doing it that way instead of like making an ugly knot, I guess. But yeah, there. It's really pretty. But here's the skirt, you guys.